In today's video, I am going to teach you how to retrieve deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Before we begin, it's important to set expectations. Once a message is deleted from your active Messenger app, it's generally gone from your chat list. However, copies of older messages can still exist in your Facebook data download. And here is also a quick place to check for chats that were hidden rather than deleted. Start in the Messenger app. Open Facebook Messenger, then look for the three-line menu in the bottom corner. Tap it. And choose Archive. This is where hidden or archived conversations live. If a chat was archived by mistake, you will see it here. This doesn't bring back permanently deleted messages, but it's the fastest way to find conversations that only disappeared from your main inbox. For the most effective method, use Facebook's data export. Go to Facebook, then click your profile picture in the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. In the Settings area, open Account Center. Find the section labeled Your Information and Permissions, and select it. Next, choose Export Your Information. Click Create Export and pick the specific profile you want to download if you have more than one. You can decide where the export goes. Select Export to Device if you want a file you can save locally. Or Export to External Service if you prefer to send it elsewhere. Customize what you want included by selecting specific data types such as messages or photos. And set a date range. If you are trying to recover something older, choose All Time to capture the widest window. Now finalize the export. Choose your preferred format. HTML is easier to browse in a web browser, while JSON is better if you plan to use the data with other tools. Select the media quality you need. When you are ready, start the export and complete any on-screen security checks to confirm it's you. Facebook will prepare the file, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer, depending on how much data you have. Once your export is ready, download and unzip the file. Open the file named index.html in your web browser. From there, you can navigate to your message history and browse conversations in a familiar readable layout. Remember, if a message was truly and permanently deleted, it might not appear even in the export. But many users do find older conversations here, especially if they weren't fully removed across all copies. Handle your downloaded data carefully since it can include private information. And that's it. Thanks for watching.